Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, I am excited to share with you this Genie Aladdin Smart garage door opener. This is universal. It'll work on just about any garage door opener, and you can control your garage door and know whether it's open or closed. Let's get into it. Okay, here's everything that came into the box. You have your manuals, quick start guides. This is your mount for your sensor. This is your door sensor. You will mount it on with that, and this will let the unit know whether your door is up or down. AC unit, some wiring, warning tag, and also this will work on 3 separate doors. So if you have 3 doors, this will work on 3 separate doors, or you can just use it on one. But if you do use it on other doors, you need to buy additional sensors for that to work. So let's hook it up and get into it. There's also an app that goes with this as well. Okay, you can wire this right to the switch if you have a plug. I don't have a plug near my switch, so the other way is to just mount it right to here, use this plug, and then wire it directly in. That's what I'm gonna do. It mounts really nice, clips right in. So then you can just plug it right in right here and you'll be good to go. I got to do a little setup before I do that. As you can see, I got it all mounted up there. It's pretty easy to mount up and wire in. And again, you need that plug, so that's why I had to put mine up there. But if you have a plug near your other switch, you can put it over there as well. And then you're gonna use the app to set it up. Okay, gang. Here is the app, and what's really nice is it shows you the door is open. It also sends you notifications. And to close the door, of course I have it open. All you're going to do is just tap that, hold it. There you go. Then it'll give you a little warning in the garage, and then it closes the door. Too cool. I love it, and again, it is universal. It will work on most garage doors. That's it from here. Hope this helps you out. Till next time, this is Bo. See ya!